Hey everyone, this is Michael Trethart, International Technology Instructor. Want to let you know about a class that we have coming on May 10th, provided by Lawyer's Title to KW Plano. And this is going to be two 1-hour CE sessions back to back. Number one session is going to be how to use ChatGPT for your business. Probably the hottest topic out there right now, not only for real estate, not only for business, but in the world. We're going to dive deep on ChatGPT and we're going to show you the ins and outs of that and how you can use it for your business. Then in the second hour, we're going to create an amazing online brand in 10 steps. This has bonus items. You are going to get some free stuff in that class. You definitely don't want to miss both hours, but hour number two, you're going to get some cool stuff for your business. So make sure you sign up May 10th, 1 to 3. This is a class that is complimentary to the KW Plano agents. All you have to do is register with that link right there, and Stephanie will know that you're going to be attending. And then if you guys want to get a copy of the recording, you can get that as well for a bonus $10. So I'll see you guys on May 10th. Thanks.